Hi, my name is Jermaine Richards, and my presentation today is on human-centered AI design and ethics. My application is done for this presentation is done for Course 3 project for the Duke University AI Management Specialization, and my project is for an actual application called SiteWalks. SiteWalk is an AI platform that converts voice notes and field notes into photos into professional inspection reports. It covers task analysis, UX design, privacy, and ethics. The current task has 4 steps. In this current industry, I'm targeting event planners, facility managers, and landscape architects that actually walk and do reports on the field. The typical task that these particular personas do is they walk, they capture, they organize, and write their notes before the job is done. SiteWalks eliminates 3 and 4 steps entirely. The key insight is that all cognitive work happens in the field, not at the desk. The interface must be completely hands-free and voice-driven. How users interact with AI. Users interact through 3 inputs: voice, photos, and implicit feedback through edits. The transparency is full generated reports is visible and editable before delivery. For uncertainty, low confidence categorization are flagged for review. Every edit becomes a feedback loop that improves future accuracy. Data privacy obligations. SiteWalks collects voice recordings, photos, and location metadata, all potentially sensitive client data. 3 laws apply to this application. FIPC requires clear consent at onboarding. GDPR covers European users with data portability rights, and CCPA covers California users. All data is encrypted, retained only while the account is active, and is never sold. Bias, fairness, accountability, and transparency. There are 2 bias risks that are available for this application, apparent for this application. Vocabulary bias for vertical expansion, mitigated by industry segment and training, and accent bias for transcription, mitigation, and diverse voice data. For fairness, the model is evaluated across verticals. For accountability, every report is auditable. For transparency, users know how to output a AI generated and hold final responsibility for the generated report. So to close, once again, SiteWalk is a human-centered AI done right. It is transparent, has transparent output, it has user control edits, it looks and protects for privacy data and handling, and it handles the ethic model designs across every vertical it serves. Thank you. Any questions? Feel free to drop into the comments.